How to sign into Metlife Dental Provider account online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser in your device. Now in the search bar, you need to search for Metlife Login and give it a search. Now from here, select your login portal from Metlife itself. Select the option of Login to your account -Metlife. You'll be redirected to a new login portal. Now to simply log in, you need to enter your username and your password in the given empty box right here. Make sure to enter it correctly. However, if you have forgotten any of the credentials, select Forgot Username or Forgot Password. If I select Forgot Username, I'll have to enter my email address, then confirm it, to which I will receive a recovery link, and that is how I'll be able to recover my account. Similarly, if you select Forgot Password, you need to enter your username, to which it will display further instruction in the step 2. And that is how you'll be able to recover your password. Then just tap on Log In after your credentials has been retrieved. If you are new to it, select the Register Now option, to which you will see a page like this. You need to click on Life Beneficiary, to which you will receive a form layout that will be filled by you. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.